Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Infinix X Watch 3, also known as the XW3 model. It is the latest smartwatch from Infinix. And on this video, we are going to have a demo of one of its main features. That is the Bluetooth phone call. As you can see here, we do have the dial, frequent contacts, call history, and there's also support for smart or push notifications. Okay, as you can see, we do have notification feature here. Okay, so we will demo these two features, the Bluetooth phone call and the push notification. So if you are planning to get the Infinix X Watch 3 and you want to know if the push notification works as well as the Bluetooth phone call, watch this video. And again, support our channel by liking this video, sharing it, or subscribing to our channel. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see here on our smartwatch, we don't have a frequent contacts. Okay, we still haven't received a notification, so let's set it on the support app. So we are paired with, okay, if you are not familiar with this app, it is the My Health application. So we are paired here. So let's set the permissions for some of the features that we are going to use. Bluetooth calling, so let's sync the contacts. Open contacts, so let's pick this, some number, let's remove some the other numbers here, just the same. Then it says import to watch, so let's tap on it. Sync complete, we'll check it later. Okay, then set up Bluetooth calling, turn on Bluetooth calling on the watch. Okay, so how to turn on the Bluetooth calling? So we have this one, call audio, media audio. We'll activate both. X watch not connected. Okay, then go to Bluetooth here and pair it. So okay, so we are now on the Bluetooth connectivity. As you can see, we do have the X Watch 3. Let's try to set it. We have the calls, audio, and contact access. Okay, I guess it's okay now. Then go back again. Let's try the push notifications. Seems like we are connected here, as you can see. Push notifications as well as the call notifications. Allow My Health to access your phone call logs. We will allow it. Allow My Health to make and manage phone calls. Okay, then activate. Go back. Where's our push notification? So we have here, so we are going to use this one. Messages for SMS, Instagram, Facebook, and other apps here. Okay, seems like everything is set, so let's check and let's have a demo of the smart notification first. Let's open Instagram. So let's try to send a message, and let's add an emoticon or the emoji. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch. Let's say hello, and we have here a message, hello, but there's no support for emoji. We do have the time, the name of the sender, and of course the message. So let's try to have a missed call or call notifications from Instagram. It's ringing. Then let's end. Can receive a notification, missed call notification, audio call ended. Okay, we have it here, but seems like the screen is not activating every time that we receive a notification. Display, raise to wake. Okay, let's check screen time. There's no option here. Okay, anyway, let's proceed. Next, let's have the messenger. Let's send hello to Sam. Hi, how are you? Message sent. Okay, hopefully we can receive a notification. Okay, we feel a vibration, but the screen did not activate. But we still have the message here. Okay, hello. Then a vibration, and we have here the message. Okay, how about the call? Let's see. It's calling. Let's see if we can receive. Yes, we do have a call notification here. You can see we do have the call notification from Messenger. So it works with Messenger also. Let's have the Viber account of Viber social app. Let's say hello. And no, we did not receive any messages. Okay, so we have it here. There's no logo, only message logo. Hi, let's see. Yes, we have it here. The only thing that is disappointing here is that the screen is not activating every time that we receive a notification. I don't know if there's an option for this. I will check later on. Okay, we have, what's this one? Succeeded. Firmware. We have a flashlight here. Display. Later on, I'm going to check it. Okay. Then, let's have a missed call. So, calling. Dialing. Yes, we receive here a vibration. And we have an incoming Viber call. Okay, so it can receive missed call notification from Viber. So it works with Instagram, Messenger, and Viber. Next, let's have the SMS. Let's say, hi. This is SMS. Send. Okay, so we receive a notification. I can feel the vibration, and we have here, hi, this is SMS. We have the time. We have this, the time, the date, and the sender of the message. So it works with SMS, Instagram, Messenger, and Viber, and of course, I'm pretty sure it works also with the WhatsApp application. Okay, so far it works with the smart notification features. Next, let's have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. So we are already done with the push notifications. Next, let's try the Bluetooth phone call. Let's see if the Bluetooth phone call works. So we already set this up. We have here the frequent contacts, and at the same time we already set it on the smartphone. Okay, so let's try to call the number where the smartwatch is connected or paired. So we have here, we are dialing. Let's see if we can receive a call. And as you can see here, we have a new call from Cindy. So we have an option to end the call or answer the call, or mute it. Okay, there's no quick reply. This time, let's end the call. Okay, so far we can receive a Bluetooth phone call. Let's see with the frequent contacts. Let's try to call Cindy. Let's call back. If this thing works, you can receive it here. Okay, as you can see, we are receiving, or someone is calling us. Okay, and that is Cindy. And call. Okay, so far the two works. How about the dial pad? Let's see. 09696158 399. Let's try this one. And as you can see, we do have the name here, Sam number. Okay, it should be Cindy, not Sam again. Okay, my mistake. My number, dial pad again, 0919-809-2094. Let's call. And we have here the name. Hopefully we can receive a call here on this smartphone. And yes, we do have it here. And call. Okay, so the dial pad works. Again, for the contacts, let's see. Can receive a call using the phone book. Yes, we do have it here. Okay, seems like everything is working. As you can see, we also have a call history. Next. Okay, and the last one. Let's try to answer the call here on our smart watch. Okay, so let's call Sam. And hopefully we can receive a call here. Yes, we can receive a call. Tap on it. Hello? The Bluetooth phone call works. You can adjust the volume here. And of course, goodbye. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the Bluetooth phone call, and seems like everything is working. Okay, everything is working smoothly with the Bluetooth phone call for our Infinix X Watch 3. So we have the dial pad, it works, frequent contacts, it works, and a call history also, it works. Okay, so that's it. So the push notifications and the Bluetooth phone call works with our Infinix X Watch 3. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!